Hello again, year 4. There's going to be sort of mini announcements as these videos go along because I'm still trying to get some feedback and get my head around Microsoft Teams. I've been speaking to Mr. Ventin to see what he's been doing for the last week or two and the feedback that I'm getting in from class. And I'm just going to try and keep adapting to make it as easy as possible for you. So the little statement this time is that the scaffolds for, say, SPAG and maths, it was a bit difficult for the SPAG sentences to be created just from the beginning. So what I'll do is, like, when you have the missing words, I'll put that in, so you just have to fill in the word and things like that. I'll keep trying to make it as easy as possible for you, so bear with me. I'm doing the best that I can do, and I'll get used to it, and you just keep doing the best you can do. And well done for adapting and being resilient and being hardworking. Super proud. So without further ado, let's go for our maths for the day. Where's my maths hiding? There it is. Perfect. So we're going to continue with that division, with that bus stop method. Okay. So with the bus stop method, you can still, on a Word document, you can try and draw those out. If not, I'll try and figure out a way to put those in. I don't know if it's going to be more difficult. I feel like for the maths, when you're using a method, I feel as though the easiest way to do that is to draw it out and then take a picture and upload it. I think that would be easier, whereas the written ones, it'd be easier to have the scaffolding. I will put the scaffold in for the place value chart though. And when you go on Microsoft, what you can do is you can copy and paste the 10s and the 1s, so you can put it in the correct sections and things like that. You can drag it over and then send it in. That might help. Again, bear with me. I'm going to take some feedback from Mr. Ventin and from you guys, and we'll just keep trying to go the best we can. And I'm sure by the end of the week, we'll be fully up and running as efficiently as possible. So here's some starter questions for you. Try and use yesterday's methods to answer them. Okay, so again, this could have just been completed on a sheet of paper. It's absolutely fine. 96 divided by 8 is 12. 96 divided by 4 is 24. So I've halved the number that I'm dividing by, but my product has doubled. And again, 96 divided by 2, I've halved my divisor and my product doubles. Interesting. So key vocab, we'll quickly check this. So divide is to share into equal groups, to share or put into groups of, or to split or to partition. However, doesn't always fit completely equally. Sometimes there's some left over, and that is called a remainder. And that will be our focus for today. So let's have a look at one of the grids here. I have 86 divided by 4. I've already put 110 in my 4 rows and 1 in my 4 rows. And I'm left here with some 10s and some 1s. What could I do? What I could do is I could still put my 4 10s. I can share them out equally. Amazing. But I've only got 2 1s left. So I'm just going to leave those to the side as a remainder, which means I've got 2 10s and 1 1 in each row. So 86 divided by 4 is 21 with 2 remainders. So 21 remainder 2. 21 remainder 2. That's how it'd look. 21 in each of my 4 groups and 2 left over. How would that look in the bus stop method, I wonder? So first step, how many 4s go into 8? 4, 8. So 2 4s go into 8. How many 4s go into 6? 4. 8 is too many. So just 1. And what's left over? 5, 6, 2. So 21, remainder 2. Let's have a look again. So let's try and put my 10s in to begin. I can put 110, 110, 110, and I can put 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1. It looks like I can probably do that again. Yep, my other 3 10s can be shared equally. I can share another 3 1s equally. However, what's this one here called? It's called our remainder. So if I share 67 into 3 groups, I have 2 10s and 2 1s in each group. So 22, 22, 22. But I also have 1 left over. I can't put it in here because then it's not shared equally. It looks like Mickey Mouse. Then it's not shared equally. I can't put it in here because it's not shared equally, or here. So I just leave it as a remainder. So 22, remainder 1. Okay, how would that look in bus stop method? How many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6. Twice. I'm not calling you a loser. How many times does 3 go into 7? 3, 6. 9 is too many, so 3, 6. And how many would I need to add on to 6 to get to 7? 1. So 2, remainder 1. 22, remainder 1 overall. Maybe see if you can have a go at this one. Quickly sketch it out on a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be overly neat, just quickly as we're going along. So can we share out some 10s and some 1s? Let's see. I can put a 10 into my 4 rows, and I can put another 10 into my 4 rows. Problem is here, I now have a remainder of 10. What could I do? I wonder. Hopefully you're now thinking that I could exchange. I could trade in my 10 for 10 1s. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 1s. So there's my 4 1s. And then with my 10 remainders, I can actually change that to 10 1s. So can I share these out? I can put another 4 in. I can put another 4 in. And now I just have 2 remainders. So I have 2 10s and 3 1s in my 4 rows. And I have 2 1s left over that we can't fit anywhere equally. I can't exchange them for anything. So my answer is 23, remainder 2. How does that look in the bus stop method? Again, try and do this as we go along. How many 4s are there in 9? 4, 8, 12 is too many. So 4, 8. So we have two 4s in 9. And we can carry the 1 because 8 plus 1 is 9. How many 4s are in 14? 4, 8, 12, 16 is too many. So 4, 8, 12. So my 3 is going to go here. And how do I get from 12 to 14? I add 2. So I've got 2 remainders. Last one then. I can share my 10s out equally, but I have 2 10s left over. What could I do? Just like before, I can exchange my 10s for 1s. So I now have 20 1s plus my 2 1s that I already had. Let me show you that again. 2 1s here, another 10 1s, another 10 1s. So 22 1s I've got now. So let's try and share those equally. Getting on quite well, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. but my divisor is 6, which means these 4 are remainders. So I have 13 groups of 6 and 4 left over. So 82 divided by 6 is 13, remainder 4. Let's have a look in here. How many 6's go into 8? 1. And to get from 6 to 8, I need to add 2. How many 6's go into 22? 3 do, because it gets me to 18. And then I need to add 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I have a remainder of 4. So it's your turn now. See if you can use either of those methods. I will put this on a PowerPoint so you can drag the 10s and the 1s into the questions. Here they are. If you've only got time to answer those, that's fine. Fast forward the rest of the video and go to the answers. Just remember to leave yourself 5 to 10 minutes to check over your answers and don't do any more questions after that. Here are a few word problems if you've still got a bit of time. I'm not going to read these out, just pause it here and have a little look at answering them. Here are a few more. Again, those of you that really want to extend your learning, if you've got time. And here is a real challenge X. Please don't spend too much time. Don't spend 2 hours on this lesson. Stop with 5 to 10 minutes to go and check your answers. Here are the answers. I'm aware that this video is taking quite a long time today, so I'm not going to go over them all. The explanations are there and we'll also give feedback accordingly. I will try my best to do the most suitable scaffolds for this, but again, bear with me. I'm sure they'll get better as the week goes on. Have a great day.